emergency for McDowell and Michelle counties. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McDowell County in north-central North Carolina, north-central Michelle County in northern North Carolina, until 2:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 12 miles northeast of Kodiak, or 14 miles northeast of Westlake, moving northwest at 80 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for McDowell and Michelle counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris would be dangerous with those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Consider damage to homes and vehicles. This is extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Take shelter now.